Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown between two amazing flying gadgets, the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone and the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone. Buckle up, because we're about to take off into an aerial adventure. First up, the Holy Stone HS720, priced at a cool $249. And on the other side, we have the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone, which is a wallet-friendly $89. That's right, for the price of a fancy dinner, you can own a mini flying machine. So if you're looking to save cash, the Ford DRC-V4 mini is your guy. But if you want to impress your friends with a high-end purchase, the Holy Stone HS720 is your new best friend. Now, let's talk camera quality. The Holy Stone HS720 boasts a stunning 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. Reviewers praise its ability to capture breathtaking footage and its Hollywood-like quality. On the other hand, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini comes with a 1080p camera. While it's not 4K, users find it perfect for casual shots and fun moments. Plus, its 90 degrees adjustable lens adds versatility. Next, let's talk about how long these drones can stay up in the air. The Holy Stone HS720 gives you a total of 52 minutes with its two batteries. Reviewers appreciate this extended flight time and find it almost as long as a full meeting. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini, however, offers 26 minutes of flight time. While it's less, users enjoy its quick bursts of fun, making it ideal for short, exciting flights. Now, for the fun stuff, features. The Holy Stone HS720 is like the James Bond of drones, with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, auto-return, follow-me mode, and more. Reviewers love its stability and advanced features. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is no slouch either. It's got 3D flips, headless mode, trajectory flight, and even VR. Users appreciate its entertaining features, making it perfect for kids and playful adults. Lastly, let's see how easy these drones are to fly. The Holy Stone HS720 is packed with features like optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and one-key start-stop. Reviewers find it very beginner-friendly and easy to control. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is also beginner-friendly with one-key takeoff landing, 3-speed adjustment, and headless mode. Users appreciate its simplicity and ease of use, even for novices. Overall, reviewers praise the Holy Stone HS720 for its premium features, stability, and high-quality camera. It's seen as a solid, reliable choice for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for casual users and kids. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone is perfect for those who want a high-end, feature-packed flying experience. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone is great for budget-conscious flyers who still want a ton of fun. Whether you're looking to capture stunning 4K footage or just have a blast with a mini drone, both of these options have something to offer. Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Check out the product links in the description.